Hi, welcome to Manthan. I am Asha Raja and I am your Chief Counselor at Manthan, conducting this course of Counseling Diploma course online. I am here to introduce our Counseling Diploma course, which will be covering the entire entire process of how the counseling course is conducted, as well as what are the benefits that you have by doing this course. The course is divided into three modules. The first module is covering the theories, which are contemporary theories, starting with the classical theories with Freud and also Adler, as well as existential therapies, as well as we will be coming to the modern theories, which will be covering the person-centered therapy and the RBT, then also the cognitive therapy and the reality therapy, as well as the current very popular theory of transactional analysis. In each of the theory, you will be given the notes which are relevant and very explanatory, as well as it will be also covering the techniques that are related to all these theories. Particularly after we enter into the second area of our course, which will be like coming to the contemporary theories like rational emotive theories, as well as CA, that is cognitive theory, and RBT, as well as transactional analysis, etc. We will be also covering the basic counseling models, and one of them is the very popular Karpov model, which we will be covering technically, as well as we will be trying to give you the video regarding that. Now, after these two modules are over, we will be giving you a choice of subjects for specialization, and this will be given to you to choose. One of the subject is mandatory as a part of your course, and other subjects, if you are really interested in doing more than one, you can choose, and there are separate fees for these modules. So it will be like you can choose the subjects like personal adjustment, or students counseling, adolescents counseling, relationship counseling, corporate counseling. So there are various subjects like that, the list of which will be furnished to you, and you can choose the subject. You will have to pay for this much later. In the beginning, you will be paying the basic fees for the course, and that will be starting with the first module of classical theories. Starting first theory will be covered with the Freud. Now, who can be doing this course? Any graduate or equivalent who has got a graduation uh, degree or similar level diplomas from any university or any country or any state will be able to apply for this course. They must have working knowledge of English. They need not be English professors or lecturers or anything like that, but the working knowledge of English will be necessary to understand the theory. Then there is a fulfillment to do the uh, complete the course assignments and all, which they will have to do regularly, and they will have to send it back to us. Now, person who is wanting a change in life, who wants to advance his career prospects, and who wants to be successful in his relationship as well as his career, etc., will be a suitable candidate for this course, and this will be very helpful to them for achieving their goals. So this is the way we will be conducting the course, and you will be sent the notes regularly, and we expect you to complete the assignments and send it back to us also regularly within a stipulated time. And to some extent the time can be relaxed, because we are aiming to complete the course within a duration of about 1 year maximum. So it will be better that if you are responding to us and regularly sending the notes back, regularly sending your notes with the assignments, that whatever your requirements, you will be completing and sending it back to us. So the fees right now are 35,000, and 500 is the admission. You have to pay in installments as given in your website, as well as it is 3 installments of first installment being 15,000, then it will be after a month 12,000, and you will be regularly reminded about it. And for the specialization, you will be paying only when you complete the two modules and start with the third module. This flexibility of doing the course in shorter period of time is very useful to people who want to complete the course and get going with their life. They may have some other involvements, and they may have some other plans in future, so it is going to be very helpful to them. So I would like you to go through our websites in detail, and let us know. Team Manthan is always there as to assist you with whatever kind of problems and other questions or whatever other help regarding the course you may be requiring. So welcome to Manthan and join today.